Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Siti Zahra binti Muhammad Abbas. I would like to present a project management issue that related to waste management in Malaysia, especially that happened in Pulau Burong landfill fire accident in Penang. This case actually highlighted the how poor project monitor and non-compliance can lead to the serious environmental and also safety problem. Okay, actually, the Pulau Burong landfill was developed to manage the solid waste that happened in the Pulau Pinang, and it was operated by the PLB Terang Sdn Bhd and under control by the agreement with the Seberang Perai City Council. However, in early 2022, the big fire broke out and burned with the separate day and week and affected the nearby the village and spread the smoke to the towns such as like Bukit Mertajam and also in Batu Kawan. Okay, the first challenge that happened in this project is first there was sport project monitor and also non-complices. The consultants PLP Terang Sdn Bhd actually failed to follow the requirement term, especially improper the closing completed landfill fasa before open the new one, and then this caused the wasted to accumulate uncontrollably and increase the risk of compulsions. Second is the weak risk management and plan safety. There was not the proper fire prevention plan and no early warning system and limited emergency response capacity. When the fire occurred, authorities struggled to contain it because the land fire have the deep wasted layer and burn it internally. So the third one is ineffective stakeholder coordinated. The communication between the operations and the Seberang Perai City Councils, MPSP, and the other agency was the weak. This delay the coordinated caused the slow response and give the not a good impact on surrounding the community. And the last one is the environmental and social impact. The fire for the evacuations early village and create the heavy smoke and that spread to the Bukit Mertajam and also in the Batu Kawan. This show the technical fail in projects management can quickly become the longer scale public health and also environment crisis. According to data from the Verb and the New Star report, in 2022, over the 40% of the land fire area is burning, and the firefighters struggle in the separate day and also week to control the fire. The fire spread quickly because the landfill layers was the structures and dry in conditioner. So this highlight the lack of prevention, risk management, and the project monitor. And also two nearby village was evacuated and where the smoke and toxic farms spread to the town and also in the Bukit Mertajam and also in Batu Kawan. This show how one project can fail affected in thousand residents and destroy the public health and also safety. And lastly, this is actually the repeated incident. The fire has already occurred in the February and July in 2021, but not the strong corrective measures was taken by the operator. So this is a repeated proof the poor enforcement and the weak follow up from the authority. So actually when the accident happened, they should be stopped or do another strategy that make sure this incident will not repeated again. So this example clearly show that the issue was not just the technical fail but also project governance and also accountability problem. Address the challenge at Pulau Burong landfills. The three main solutions that has been proposed. The first one, strict, complex, and monitor should be doings include rigorous audit to ensure the operator follow all the safety and also operation rules. The second one is comprehensive. The risk management plan is needed, which include the installing the fire detected sensor, early warning system, and the emergency response procedure to prevent the longer scale fire. The third one is community engagement and sustainable waste management practice should be promoted, such as educated the resident on the proper waste segregations and explore the sustainable alternative like the Western the energy plan to reduce the landfill loads. Together, this strategy aims to improve the safety, operation efficiency, and the long-term sustainability. Key strategy to resolve the landfill issue is include the implementing the advanced waste management technology such as the waste to energy and the fire detected system. The strong governments oversee and the strict enforcement of the regulation ensure the operation follow the safety and the operation standard is needed. So the public awareness, the community involvement promote the proper waste segregations and the reporting, improving the both environment and the social outcome. Okay, a success example from the Sweden, which the waste to the energy plant convert to the almost all non-recyclable waste into the electric heat. It include the landfill use the then less 1% the wasted. So the strong regulation and public participate ensure the compliance and proper the waste segregations. This approach the effective minimize the fire risk and environment impact, servicing a model for the Malaysia. So the conclusion, the Pulau Burung landfill fire highlighting the importance of the proper project management, include the compliance, the risk control, the stakeholder engagement. So they implemented the strict monitor, modern waste management technology, and the community involvement can prevail the similar disaster in the future will be happen. Addressing this issue to ensure the safe, efficient, and the sustainable the waste management for the both environment and the local communication. So that's all from me. Thank you.